Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I wanted to turn these little votive candles into a nice cute little colored candle into this little bottle. So I took and I microwaved down one of the candles, and it does have metal, so you have to take this little part out, and then this is just wax. So I melted one down. As you can see, this is where it's at. I'm actually going to pull that little bit out and use it on the next one. So you have to be careful. It is very, very hot. So then I'm going to use the Mica from Arteza to color it. So I'm just going to pick out any kind of color that I think would be pretty here. Maybe like a, I don't know, probably should have thought beforehand, but look at this pretty color. This is magenta. So I'm going to open that little guy up there. And it comes with a little, this guy, because you don't need a lot. I'm going to put a couple because I overdo things, right? We'll see. And then I'm just going to take that spoon and we're going to run it through and look at the color change. I don't think I needed that much, but oh my goodness, I don't know if you could see how pretty that is. That is actually really, really pretty. So maybe I'll put, I'm going to try and put just a little more and see if it darkens it or if it even needs to be done. Yeah, I guess it makes it a little more opaque, but it's got this beautiful color going on. Okay. That's enough. This is going to take a process because you have to melt it down, and yet you want to melt them in not all at one time because you'll mix the colors up. So I'm just mixing that up really good. Oh, look at that. That was cool. And then that melted it right back down. Okay, so this is again very, very hot, so I'm going to grab these little fingers here. I grabbed these guys, but I don't think that'll hold, so I'm going to grab these guys. And then you take this piece that's already there and you can put that down at the bottom. I'm going to put just a little bit in there to hold it in place. And I know, I'm just trying, I should have taken a string and done this. To make, oh, there we go. Because you want that to be straight up and down. So actually I think what I'm going to do is pour this in and show you, because it's already starting. I'm going to move this out of the way. Well, no, I better not. Okay, so I know you can't really see it there, but it is in there, and I will show you after it cools down. But for right now, I'm going to tie a string here and put this down so that it'll go all the way in and stick straight up and down. Let me see if I could show you. go. Look at that pretty color. All right, I'll see you back in a bit. Okay, so look at that color that came out. So pretty. All right, so now we're going to move on to the next color. I'm going to bring this over. And I didn't want to do the whole thing, so I'm putting what didn't melt in there. And now we're going to get a second color. So let me see, we got our Arteza box again of the powders. We're going to change it up. We're going to do a different color. And I'm thinking that this is a really pretty color. This is called, what's it called? Aqua Blue. So let's try this one. That's so pretty. Like, which way is it? And I can't believe just a little bit goes so far, but I want that color to be nice and bright. So I put a few tablets in there, or spoonfuls. Let's see what color this comes out. That's pretty, pretty. Sorry for all the shadows. I'm doing this in the kitchen with the microwave, which I normally don't do. But that is coming out really nice. I may have to put it back in the microwave a little bit. Oh no, it's good. Oh, I think I will. It looks like it wants to start drying already. Getting that air in there is making it dry. But look at how pretty that color is. I don't know if you could see it. Let me... Oh yeah, definitely need to put it back in the microwave for a little bit. But look at the color. That's so pretty. I wish you could see in a better light. But so I'm gonna put this back in the microwave, and then I'm gonna pour some more in this bottle, and then I will wait for it to dry, and then I'll let you see it again. Okay, we've got the two colors now, and we're gonna add a third one. And I'm gonna again get out my colors. And I think that's gold. I think a yellow would go really good. Kind of, I don't know, it reminds me of like the 80s. So I've got that. I'm gonna run over out of the microwave, and I've got my silicone gloves. Now, just so you know, for one of those on my highest setting, this is where I get to in about 7 minutes. So it's still melting down. It's nice and hot. It's all completely melted once I did that. There's some little piece of something there. I'm going to get rid of it. Maybe I won't. Okay, so I'm going to take out my yellow now. And get that yellow in there. And I think I'm going to probably add quite a bit because I do want it to be opaque. So let's see if that does it. is a beautiful, like, pearlized yellow. Really pretty. And I think that might be just enough. It's amazing, just a little bit goes a long way. I've seen that they can use this, I don't know if I said it earlier, because this has been a couple day process, but I don't know the previous video if I said people use it to dye their resin and to make bath bombs, colorful bath bombs. So I'm going to pour that. Ooh, that's getting everywhere. That's not going to be fun. I'm going to put as much as I can, but I need the wick to stay. Okay, this one, I made a mess. So I got to clean it up. But we're going to let that dry, and then I will show you, and we'll decorate the bottle after. All right, beauties. The candle is all done. Look at the different colors. I'm super excited. And then I was looking to what I was going to decorate. I was going to put some little rhinestones around here. But you guys, one of you beauties sent me these rhinestone stickers, and now I know exactly what I'm going to put on there. So, very cool. And they can't really be put on there with hot glue because as this gets warm, it's not going to go real well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. It's all one sticker, which is totally cool. And then I'm going to go like that. And we're going to put it right here along the line of the purple and blue. I was going to be like, oh my gosh, this goes exactly perfect. But it's pretty darn close, which is cool. In fact, I think I could cut this part right here. You gotta cut right in between those plastic pieces. In fact, I'm gonna get some smaller scissors. There we go. These are really, really sticky and really pretty. So I think we can kind of wiggle it together like this. Yeah, it'll overlap just a bit, but that'll be more toward the back, I guess. You can't really tell too much. All right, and then we're gonna do another one. These are so cool, these stickers. And I'm gonna know where the back is, so I'm gonna start again with the back, and I'm going to make sure that the colors are different. And this one is going to overlap just a little bit as well. Look at that. You can pull it right off. We got another piece there. We'll save that. I think that'll be nice. We got that, and I think, do we need one more? I'm going to look at this part and see if one more at the top would go well. Yes, it would. One more at the top. So I'm going to find that back again. I'm going to go right up here. The top of this yellow. I hope you can see it. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Yeah, you can't even really tell that it's overlapping. But how pretty is that? I am loving it. Thank you to you beauties who send me stuff and those who have ideas on recycling. This was just an old bottle. I think I got it at the Target dollar spot. Really out of frame. I'm so sorry for those of you who couldn't see it, but I'm going to take a frontward picture so you can. So if you like this kind of recycling, DIY, let me know in the comments down below. And then make sure, if you want to see more, which way is it? One of these two ways. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more. Alright, beauties, I'm off and traveling this week. Hopefully I'll find a new Dollar Tree that I could showcase for you. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!